To say I've been neglecting my feet lately is an understatement. I've been hanging around the house wearing my flats, my sneakers, or just running around constantly in my bare feet. And I know I'm not the only one whose feet need a little bit more love and attention. That's why I'm so excited to share with you Babyfoot. This exfoliant foot peel is the perfect at-home solution to smooth pedicured feet without going anywhere. Like many good things, it all starts with cleanliness. So before applying any treatment, make sure to pre-soak your nail polish-free feet in warm water. Next, separate the baby foot booties along the dotted line with a pair of scissors. After safely cutting them apart, we are now ready to get these babies on. Secure them with the included adhesive tape. Babyfoot makes it easy for you by self-containing their exfoliation formula in each 3D bootie. The formula contains 16 types of natural extracts which exfoliate and moisturize at the same time. Speaking of time, you now have 1 whole hour to let Babyfoot just work its magic. And you can do anything you want except for standing, running, or walking. But don't worry, that still leaves a lot of other activities that you can do. For instance, catch up on my guilty pleasure, reality TV. Can you believe she just said that? Practice self-meditation. Before Babyfoot, frequent use of foot files and razors were used to remove the dead skin on your feet. However, this was a temporary fix. Filing generates more friction to the soles of your feet, which in turn creates more dead skin. No more filing with the use of the Babyfoot exfoliation foot peel. By the way, did you guys know that the human foot has 26 bones and 33 joints? I know, impressive. After an hour, remove the booties and rinse your feet with warm water. Don't forget to soak your feet daily. That will help keep the treatment active. So it's just that easy. 1 week to beautiful feet with the easiest and most cost-effective treatment I've ever used. After using Babyfoot, my feet are smooth and soft and camera ready. And be sure to try their moisturizing foot mask between treatments. Oh, and guys, Babyfoot has you covered too. Soft feet are for everyone.